Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series, where we explore how leadership, structure, and strategic execution shape resilient and adaptable business systems. The Nukul Group, one of the Middle East's largest family-owned conglomerates, faced a defining moment following the passing of its founder. Under the stewardship of Ghassan Nukul, the company entered a critical phase of leadership transition, one that would test not only operational structures, but the emotional fabric of the business itself. This case examines the nuanced challenges of managing succession in a family business, where personal legacy intersects with corporate complexity. As the organization navigated grief, stakeholder expectations, and future direction, Ghassan Nukul had to make difficult decisions, particularly around whether to divide the business and how to preserve its core values while modernizing its governance and operations. Key operational themes emerge: preserving institutional knowledge, maintaining process continuity, managing family dynamics, and realigning decision-making structures. The case also explores the role of formal governance systems, such as boards, succession plans, and performance frameworks, in professionalizing a family-run enterprise. The Nukul Group's story illustrates that in operations management, transitions are not just about processes, they're about people, purpose, and planning for longevity. Ghassan Nukul faced a pivotal moment after his father's passing in 2022, navigating emotional and strategic decisions during leadership transition. This generational change required balancing operational implications, including the division of the family business, impacting governance, and preserving legacy. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for maintaining the integrity and success of family enterprises. Elia Nukul, a Palestinian refugee, founded the Nukul Group in 1952, turning adversity into success. With limited resources, he established one of Jordan's largest family conglomerates. His leadership was marked by a commitment to excellence and strong family values, driving expansion across diverse sectors. Elia Nukul's journey began in 1948 as a refugee in Jordan. By 1952, he founded the Nukul Group, starting with a modest import-export business. The 1960s and 70s saw strategic investments in manufacturing, particularly paper products. By the 1980s and 90s, the group had transformed into a regional powerhouse with diversified holdings. Fine Hygienic Holding emerged as the Nukul Group's flagship, leading in premium tissues, baby diapers, and feminine care products across the Middle East and North Africa. With operations in Jordan, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates, it is renowned for innovation and quality, earning strong regional brand recognition and customer loyalty. The passing of Elia Nukul in 2022 marked a pivotal moment for the family and Fine Hygienic Holding. His absence left a leadership void, necessitating a clear succession plan. Balancing the diverse interests of siblings and next-generation members became crucial, as did determining the strategic direction for a conglomerate built on his singular vision. Ghassan Nukul grappled with balancing his father's legacy with the evolving aspirations of each family branch. As chairman of Fine Hygienic Holding, he faced the critical decision of whether to maintain a unified conglomerate or allow for individual growth paths, a choice that would redefine the family's business landscape for future generations. Ghassan and his siblings decided to divide the Nukul Group's assets, transitioning from a united conglomerate to distributed ownership. This involved asset evaluation, governance restructuring, and operational planning, allowing each family branch to manage independent entities while honoring their father's vision. The division of the Nukul Group necessitated a reconfiguration of supply chains, risking loss of economies of scale and supplier negotiation power. Talent distribution posed challenges in maintaining operational continuity as executives and key personnel were reassigned. Additionally, centralized information technology, human resources, and financial services required separation or new service agreements to ensure smooth operations across independent entities. Strategic considerations include maintaining brand identity and preventing market confusion. Ensuring separate entities uphold Nucle's quality standards is crucial. Smaller entities may lack market power, risking internal competition. However, they could benefit from more agile, focused strategies. These factors are vital in navigating the complexities of business division and ensuring long-term success. Emotional attachments among family members complicated rational asset division, as different members had varying connections to specific business units. The shift from centralized patriarchal leadership to distributed control altered family power dynamics. Additionally, there was concern that business separation might lead to family separation, threatening the cohesion built over generations. The division led to the establishment of new governance structures, including a family constitution, family council, and independent boards. Each entity developed its own management teams and operational leadership. Clear decision rights, conflict resolution mechanisms, and shared values documentation were essential to maintain communication and coherence across family-owned businesses. Kassan ensured Elia's legacy through strategic initiatives. The Elia Nucle Foundation was established to uphold philanthropic efforts. Founding principles were documented in each company's charter, ensuring ethical consistency. Regular family gatherings fostered unity, blending business updates with personal connections. Leadership development programs for next-generation family members were implemented to sustain the vision. Succession planning in family businesses demands careful attention to leadership and ownership. Emotional intelligence is crucial as decisions intertwine with family dynamics. Effective governance frameworks ensure smooth transitions and continuity. Legacy management involves reimagining the founder's vision, balancing respect for the past with future growth opportunities. Thank you for exploring this operations-driven case with Skilled MBA. For further insights into operations management, Skilled MBA offers a wealth of case studies. Reach out via mobile at +91 87 553 00795 or email support@skilledmba.com. Explore more resources on their website at https://skilledmba.com.